Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful hooked on sunshine crochet earring made with fine crochet thread. You can find the written pattern of this cute earring in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project I'll be using anchor pearl cotton crochet thread and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and we'll also need a scissor. So this thread is available in Etsy, and for round 1 we would need to do a magic ring, and then we will work 12 single crochet around the magic ring and then tighten the magic ring and then slip stitch onto the first single crochet to close this round 1. So at the end of round 1 we'll have 12 single crochet stitches around the magic ring. So for round 2 we are going to work a chain 1. That chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and then we are going to work 1 single crochet on the same stitch. So then we are going to work 1 single crochet on the same stitch, and then once we are done with that, work a chain 4 and then work 1 single crochet on the next stitch followed by a chain 4, and continue working this pattern around, that is 1 single crochet in 1 stitch followed by a chain 4 around, and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 2. So continue working like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So for round 3, before proceeding round 3, we are going to slip stitch onto the next chain 4 space twice, and then we work a chain 3 followed by a double crochet 2 together. So this is considered as our first double crochet 3 together, and then work a chain 3. So we are done with that. Work a chain 3, and then going forward we are going to work 1 double crochet 3 together in all the chain 4 space of the previous round followed by a chain 3. So work 1 double crochet 3 together in every chain 4 space and then work a chain 3. So continue working like this around. At the end of this round we are going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 double crochet 2 together. So we're done with round 3. We're going to proceed with round 4. For round 4, we are going to work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and we are going to work one single crochet on top of your first double crochet 3 together, and in the chain 3 space we are going to work 3 single crochet, and then going forward we are going to work one single crochet on top of every double crochet 3 together, and then 3 single crochet on the chain 3 space around, and then we work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 4. So now we are going to end our round 4, and then we can proceed with round 5. For round 5, before proceeding with round 5, I'm going to work slip stitches twice on the 3 single crochet that is on the chain 3 space, and then I'm going to reach to the second single crochet that is worked on the chain 3 space. So in the chain 3 space we have 3 single crochet, so I'm going to work a slip stitch twice to reach to the second single crochet that is worked on the chain 3 space, and then once you reach there, so I'm just working slip stitches until I reach my second single crochet on the that is worked on the chain 3 space. Then I'm going to work a chain 1, and then I'm going to work a single crochet on the same stitch, and then I'm going to work one picot stitch. Picot stitch is nothing but chain 3 and then slip stitch onto the starting stitch. So once we are done with our picot, we are going to work a chain 5, and then in the second single crochet of the next 3 single crochet that is worked on the chain 3 space, I'm going to work one single crochet followed by a picot stitch, and then work a chain 5. So in the every second single crochet on the chain that is worked on the chain 3 space, I'm going to work one single crochet followed by a picot stitch and then chain 5. So continue working this pattern around, and then once you are done with that, work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet, and then you can fasten off and weave your ends. So now I am done with that. So I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet to close this round 5, and then I will fasten off and weave my ends. So here it is, I've completed one of these earrings. We need to do one more of this, and you can see that it's not stiff and it's kind of wobbly. We need to block it. I've given a complete blocking instruction on my earlier earring tutorial video. So here are the blocked earrings. So I've blocked it about 12 hours now, and it's become nice and stiff. And here are some fish hooks which we can attach to our earrings. So I'm going to put up these hooks on the place where we worked, one of the picot. So I'm going to attach it to that. So our earrings, beautiful hooked on sunshine earrings, is now ready. The complete written pattern of this earring is available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. So have a look at it for if you need a written pattern of this cute little earrings. Please try this earrings at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.